So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is my 10 years old t shirt. So, bear with me, I love it. Anyways, so this is a reading, no contact reading from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Okay, want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below, and we are soon launching a self-love course 30 days challenge. It's beautiful. Anyway, so let's start. Okay, Virgo. Let's see the person that you're in no contact or no communication with. What are their current feelings for you right now at this present moment, honey? Let's see. We have the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the Six of Cups. Okay. This is someone who is feeling rushing towards you, then they're stopping themselves, then they feel like rushing towards you, then they're stopping themselves. But this is someone who is stuck on this situation between you and them because this is a soul connection. And I do see this stuck energy from both the sides because you are also here in the mixed Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. You might be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Every sign is there, but you are definitely in the mix where both of you are feeling the same kind of energy. Someday rushing towards each other, then another day, no, it's not possible, it's never going to happen. Then slowing down, then rushing towards each other. So this is someone who is in this middle of this chaos of I feel like I should go towards Virgo, then they're like, nope, not happening. Then they feel like coming towards you, then they're like, no, not happening. But they still miss you like crazy. This is a soul connection. For some of you, it's a past life connection. Okay, when you guys met with each other, you guys might have felt like you guys know each other from a very long time. So it might be a soul, past life connection. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Death, the Two of Wands, and the Three of Wands. Wow. They don't want to wait anymore. They want to keep moving ahead in their life. In their feelings, they just can't let you go. You are a person that's very deeply attached to their soul. In their intentions, they are tired of waiting for this situation to improve or come back around or something to happen in the situation. Now they just want to keep moving forward. They don't want to look back. Okay, now they want to go towards something better or someone better, and they are planning to not to look back because they're tired of waiting, they're tired of giving everything to the situation. Now they're kind of done or want to be done with the situation for good this time. Okay, maybe they were energetically holding on to you and waiting for you, waiting and nothing happened, and now they have decided to completely let go of the situation, maybe for the sake of their family. Yeah, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 6th of April. Okay, lots of cards. Let's see. We have the Ace of Cups, the Justice, and the Temperance. There are chances of this person coming back around and talking to you about reconciliation, about coming together, coming back together. See, what is happening is this person is not able to move on. This person is not able to come back. Eventually, this is somebody who will give this a shot, right? This is somebody who was maybe patiently waiting for you to do something about it. Though, okay, one of you was waiting for the other person to do something about it. Now the person who was waiting is going to take some kind of action in this direction, and there are very good chances of a reconciliation, at least starting of a friendship kind of energy between you and this particular energy. I don't know from where, like from there, where it is going to go. It's completely a different chapter, but this is somebody who's going to open up their heart to you. They are going to tell their feelings to you. They are going to tell you exactly what they are feeling for you, exactly how they waited for you and for the situation to come back around, and they want another shot here. So there are good chances of somebody coming back around and opening up their heart to you and telling you that they were waiting for this moment and they want to start from the scratch. That's a good thing. Finally somebody is moving towards you with good intentions, with good energy, with an open heart. And finally, they are realizing that this is the right thing to do, because you guys are not able to let go of each other, right? Still holding on to each other. And for some weird reason, I keep on getting this age difference or maturity difference between you guys. For you, the guidance here is a Four of Swords. Take your time before making any kind of life changing decision in this direction, whether it's of letting it go completely or whether it's of taking this person back and starting from scratch. Take your time, take a step back, understand each and everything, listen to your heart. If your heart is telling you to go in this direction and putting in your heart and soul in this situation, try to do that slow and steady, one day at a time. Don't rush towards making any kind of life changing decision. Again, take your time, understand each and everything about it, feel the feelings about the situation, and then move forward in this direction, with or without this person, completely up to you. But I'm very happy for Virgos. After a very long time, I'm seeing a positive readings for you guys. You guys keep on calling me, you hate Virgo, you this. I can't hate any sign. I love all of you equally. Uh, Make me a bitch or something, hate me or love me, I don't care. But I'm going to tell you the truth. And this time, the truth is really beautiful for you guys. I'm so happy. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste, honey.